Good day everyone! Our topic for today is all about multiplication of polynomials, monomial by binomial, and monomial by a trinomial. Learning target, I can independently perform multiplication operations in a monomial by binomial or polynomial using a distributive method. Product of monomial by binomial. For this example, we have the monomial 5x multiplied to a binomial of x plus 4. Based on the distributive property, you just need to multiply each term for monomial to the term of the binomial. For example, we have 5x multiplied to x, and also we have 5x multiplied to positive 4. So just remember the step. First, apply distributive property. And step 2, apply the product rule for the exponents. So, for applying the product rule, you just need to multiply the numerical coefficients. So, for this one, 5 times 1, we have 5. And following the product rule, keep the base and add the exponent. So, this will become 5x squared. And then 5x multiplied to 4, that will be 20x. Keep the base of x. Example number 2. We have the binomial 6x squared multiplied to the binomial 3x plus 9. Okay, so applying the distributive property, we must multiply first the first term in the binomial, which is 6x squared multiplied to 3x. And we also have 3x squared multiplied to positive 9. So this will become 6 times 3, that will be 18. And then applying the product rule, copy or keep the base x and add the exponent. So 2 plus 1, that will be 3. So the first term will be 18x cubed, followed by 6x squared multiplied by 9. The answer would be 6 times 9, that will be 54, and then copy the base and its exponent, which is x squared. Third example, so monomial multiplied to a binomial. Remember, a binomial consists of two terms, a monomial consists of only one term. First, apply again the distributive property. In this case, we have 4x cubed multiplied to a negative 2x squared, and also 4x cubed multiplied to a positive 5x. To distribute, this is what it looks like. So a positive number multiplied to a negative number, the answer will always be a negative, or the product will always be a negative. So we have 4 times a negative 2, the answer would be negative 8. And then keep the base, which is x, and add its exponent, which is 3 plus 2. This will become x to the 5th power. So the first term answer is negative 8, x to the 5th power. For the second term, we have 4x cubed multiplied to 5x. Of course, 4 times 5, that will be 20, and add or keep the base and add the exponent. So we have x to the 4th power. So this is the final answer. For the fourth example, for the product of monomial by binomial, we have 3x multiplied to 9x squared, and also 3x multiplied to a positive 2. So distribute the monomial to the term of each each term of binomial. We have 3x multiplied to 9x squared plus 3x multiplied to 2. The answer will be 27x cubed plus 6x. X is the product of monomial by trinomial. So here is the example. we have 2x multiplied to the trinomial, which is consists of 3 terms. Okay, so we have 2x distributed to a 3x squared, also 2x multiplied to 2x, and also 2x multiplied to 4. Okay, so you just need to distribute all of the terms, or distribute the monomial 2x to each term of the trinomial. Okay, be careful in writing the sign of each term. So we have 2x times 3x squared. We will have, of course, 6x cubed, because we add the exponent, copy the base, and multiply 2 times 3. Then plus 2x times 2x, that will be 4x squared. And then 2x multiplied to 4, that will be 8x. Followed by the next example, we have a negative 6a squared multiplied to 2ab squared plus 3b minus 9. Same rule, apply the distributive property and then apply the product rule for the exponents. So when you distribute all of the term multiplied to a negative 6a squared, the answer would be a negative 6 multiplied to a 2, the answer or the product will be a negative number. So that will be negative 12. And then copy or keep the base a squared and add the exponent to the exponent of a of the second term. So we have a cubed, and then just keep the b squared. Okay, so negative 12a cubed and b squared minus, we have a negative 6a squared multiplied to 3b. Now, in this case, we have a negative and positive sign, and in rule of multiplication, so a negative multiplied to a positive, the product will always be a negative for the opposite sign. So, the answer must be in subtraction or in negative. So, negative 6 times 3, that will be negative 18, and then a squared b plus, okay, so we have a negative 6 multiplied to a negative 9. Now, in rule of multiplication, a negative number multiplied to a negative number, the answer is always be positive. So 6 times 9, that will be 54, and then copy the exponent and the base a squared. Next, the third example, we have 3x multiplied to the trinomial 2x squared minus 4x plus 6. So, to distribute again each term to the 3x monomial to the term of the trinomial, we have 3x times 2x squared. We have 3 times 2, that will be 6, and x cubed. And then, we have another example, a negative 3x multiplied to 4x, since they do have a different sign, so the answer must be always a negative product. And then plus 3x multiplied to 6. Okay, so this is another one. Actually, if your answer is like this, the first one, it is not simplified yet. You have to simplify the final answer. Like this one, a positive, negative, or 6x squared plus a negative 12x squared plus 18x. So instead of writing plus or plus sign or addition, so this should be a negative because it has a different or opposite sign. So this will be the final answer. I hope that you learned a lot today, and thank you for listening, and good luck. Bye bye.